Hello and thank you for tuning in today. My name is Kimberly Byanna with the F.I.A. News. It is a pleasure to be with you the first week of 2024. Let's see how the markets are doing while we kickstart the new year. The S&P is currently struggling. The index opened at $4,725.65 and quickly turned south. After some ups and downs with a downward trend, it is currently trading at $4,713.65. This is 0.62%. The Dow Jones also started the year with a downward trend. The index opened at $37,628.23. Investors were holding on with white knuckles as it appeared that it was plummeting. By 10:55 a.m., the index had dropped to $37,419.54. Since then, the Dow has been fighting to recover. The Dow is currently trading at $37,584.92. This 0.35% drop generates concerns for investors. The S&P real estate took a hit today and dropped 4.22%. From this low point, it has been struggling to get back up to its opening point. The index is currently trading at $249.86. It is not quite clear what has caused these market drops. Some analysts believe this is a direct impact of inflation. Even though consumer spending seemed to be back to pre-pandemic status, the price for goods is higher across the board. In addition, there was a significant increase in credit card use. Some Americans are carrying the highest credit balances of all times. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York's latest quarterly report on total household debt rose by 1.3% to reach $17.29 trillion in the third quarter of 2023, according to the latest quarterly report on household debt and credit. Mortgage balances increased to $12.14 trillion, and credit card balances to $1.08 trillion. Several companies have partnered together with nonprofit organizations across the country in a national initiative to eliminate poverty in America. They are driving this effort by partnering with community centers, extending 100% free financial literacy courses, and extending resources to support individuals who are interested in launching a small business. If you are interested in organizing an event for your community, you can request more information via the link in the video description. If you are interested in joining the F.I.A. and supporting this effort while generating additional income, you will find a link as well in the video description. If you don't want to miss on future financial updates and resources, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is Kimberly Byanna with the F.I.A. News.